If you want to use AI as a lawyer, you must know that there are 5 levels of AI lawyering. Level 1, this is where most people are stuck, is the level of custom prompts. You prompt AI freshly from zero every time you do something. The problem with this method is that there is a very limited amount of instruction you can give. It's very cumbersome and every conversation starts from zero. So you do not, the quality of work does not compound and you don't build anything. So let's move to level 2, where you have actually uploaded skills into AI. How do you draft a particular kind of document, a particular kind of petition? You can imagine that a skill has approximately 800 to 1200 lines of instruction, and which is fed into AI. So the quality of output goes far beyond. Level 3 is that you can also add in your brand foundation, which actually sets your firm apart or your practice apart from somebody else's. You might be giving technically the right advice, but what makes it sound like you? That could be what gives it the edge, that only you can provide. That would be this third level. The fourth level will be when actually you start to use the power of AI to do something, right? You build agents which have skills. So you can have an agent which does legal research and finds you case laws or precedents on a particular matter when you have a matter at hand. There could be a second drafting agent which, based on this research, does the drafts. Now this frees you up from whenever you get a new matter to do the research first, then doing the drafting first, and from being in the middleman who does everything. So you can trigger off one agent to do one thing, another agent to do another thing, right? So this is your fourth level, where you are actually having agents to do things. They can also, of course, clean up your mailbox, post online on your behalf with your approval. That's level 4. Okay, it's incredible if you get there. Level 5, here the agents are actually coordinating with each other without you being the symphony orchestrator, and they are also learning from each other, from their mistakes. How do they learn from each other? They learn based on your final review and feedback. So ultimately the final review is yours, but you don't have to review at each step. You can review like a whole output of a symphony, and you can give feedback, and then they can improve on your feedback. Now what happens with this is that they also update their own backend knowledge and instructions to work. And so while the output in the beginning may not be very good, over a period of time the system starts to learn without yours actually feeding in every instruction. You just review the final output and you say, now fix it this way, and the agent will update its own memory so that next time it does the task better, and next time you don't have to give this kind of an instruction again. So you get better draft over time, and this can happen in a matter of a few weeks also. Now, do you want to learn how to use AI like this? Today we are going to give you that kind of a playbook. We'll tell you what kind of agents to build to automate or make your law practice AI first, and free up your time for a higher order strategic thinking, so that you can actually truly enjoy lawyering, right? So see you in the training today.